Hello everyone! Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well. Well, today I'm gonna share with you how to create a 4th of July wreath. By next month, it's gonna be July already. So I'm gonna show you how I make a 4th of July wreath. And here are, wanted to share you first all the materials that I'm gonna use. I bought some mesh from the Dollar Tree. I bought this a long time ago, and I bought 6 of them. Set this aside here. 6 of them, and then I bought a little decker, a little dog from the Dollar Tree also. Okay, and I bought also this burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I could use some of them for the wreath that I'm going to make, as well as the stars over here, also from the Dollar Tree. And I also bought this wreath form that I'm gonna use for the wreath itself. I also bought some flags. This is from, I think I bought this from Walmart. It's a bit smaller because I was looking for a smaller one, and I bought this from the Dollar Tree, so it's a bit bigger. So I will check which of those am I going to use. I also bought some garlands from Joann, but this one I bought it on sale last year, so I'll see if I'm going to use it, because if I tend to use this mesh, I won't be needing this one, but we'll see. I might make 2 of them. So I bought that from Joann, and also this one I bought it from Joann's. They're also on sale. Last year it's only $1, so I bought like 4 of them or 5 of them. No, that's 4. So try to see which should I be using, and I could also use this patriotic garland. I think I bought this also from Joann. So I will show you how to make a wreath out of a wreath form using a decorative mesh. Okay. All right. So what you're gonna do is you get a piece of piece of cardstock or any hardbound paper and cut it into 8 inches. This is gonna be your guide. It doesn't matter, 8 by 4 or as long as it's 8 inches, that's fine. As long as it's 8 inches long, that's what I meant. So we'll cut it that way. That's 8. I mean, this is already 8. From here to here is already 8. So you just maybe want to cut it somewhere there, because that's gonna be it. And it doesn't have to be, you don't have to measure the width, because all you need to know is the length. Okay, so we'll just cut this here. Okay, so that's good. So this is your piece of paper that's gonna act as your guide. So I got my decorated mesh here. Okay. This is like 6 inches by 5. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just use my cardboard as a guide to cut 8 inches. And I need like 6 of this, or I think 4 of this one. That's correct, 4. Let's make this. This is just what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to so cut it this way. There. You're gonna make 4 of those.
A few moments later.
So it doesn't have to be a straight cut, you know, as long as your length is 8 inches, that's fine. It doesn't have to be a perfect cut. You can cut because these mesh are not really straight. They're wavy, so you can't really get a straight cut out of those. So once you're done with that, you're gonna get, I wanted to include my mesh with this 2-color burlaps, you know, to give contrast to this other one. So we're just gonna cut, I only need 1 piece of this for each set of mesh to put it in the wreath form, okay? So, and just the same, I'm gonna cut this into 8 inches, 8 or 7, just there, so that, because I don't have much of this, 1 of this for that, and I'm gonna 1 blue and 1 red. Okay. Once you have all your materials, you know, and all the decorations that you intend, you just pile them up, and from there it's gonna be fast. You can make your wreath in 1 day. Okay, so there you go. I'll just set that aside there. So I got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what we're going to do, oh, also, and I forgot to mention earlier that the materials you needed, of course, you need a glue gun, and you also need this felt wire so that you can tie those ribbons to your wreath. Okay, so I will make 2. This will go 2 here, 2 here, and 2 in the middle. So what you only do is just push your decorative mesh into circles like this. Just fold it like this. So that's how gonna look like, and pin it, and then get another one. Do the next one. Just hold the other one and try to fold it. It doesn't have to be a perfect fold, because just pinch it and then attach it diagonally. I mean, just hold it like that diagonally, and then get this one. You can just pinch it in the middle. See, just pinch it in the middle like that, and attach it there in the middle. They shouldn't be, they should go alternately there. And then get your blue one, just the same. Just pinch it in the middle. And do it this way. So you got it that way, see? And then get the other 2. And pinch it again once more. And arrange it that way, you know, pile it up alternately, and get the other one, the last one. So it's gonna be a total of 6 decorative mesh in 1 bundle. That's how and then put it again alternately that way, you see. So once it's already done, you get your wire, panel wire, and then you will tie this one, put it there in the middle, see, and then put it around here, and put the other one around here, around there, and then lay it down and tie everything together. I mean, you squeeze it and tie it, and just twist the wire. Twist it like that. See, you're twisting it so that your mesh is locked. So this is going to be my decorative mesh on my wreath. See, that's gonna look like. But once you put that in your wreath, you can just rearrange it. Okay, so that's how it's gonna look like. So maybe the ribbon, the blue I can, trim it a little, but we'll see how it goes. So you're gonna make for one column of the circle wreath, you can use 5 of this or 6 of this, depending how it's gonna turn out. Okay, so I'm gonna make more of this, and I will show you how to put it in the wreath. Okay, I made 5 of these bundles. Maybe 5 will do for one for one column of the wreath form. So I make 5 of those, and when you attach this to your wreath, this is how you attached it. So you're just going to attach it from these 2 middle wires. Get your mesh decoration, and remember you twisted it with this wire. Put it inside those 2 middle wires, and see, I put it inside the 2 middle wires. And then from the back, you're gonna twist it again and tie it around. See, there, twist it. Just twist it this way. All you need is twist it. There. Just twist the wire. That's good. So that's your first decorative mesh on the wreath. That's how it's gonna look like. See? There. And then I'm gonna put the next one. Same thing that you're gonna do is put it here, okay, on the middle of the hold it that way, and then twist again. So you got 2 already. You already got 2. I'm going to get another one, and then do the same thing. I don't have a big space on my room, so I'm just trying to make the most of it. Okay, but it doesn't matter, you have a big craft room or a small craft room, that's fine, as long as you got a table. Yep. Okay, same thing. You can make 5 to 6, but if 5 is all right, then twist it again. You don't have to worry, just twist it on this column from here to here, and you can just push it later, fix it later. Okay, twist it there. See, I'm just pushing it that way. I'm just pushing it that way. I have 2 more, same thing. Okay, push it and then twist again. Twist. And then see, I'm just pushing it. Then 1 more. At least you got the main idea that you have to insert it on the 2 middle wires of the wreath circle or the form, and then just twist the wires. So this is how it's gonna look in the back, and this is how it looks in the front. Okay, so there you are, you got 5 of those. So you're just gonna rearrange it. So that's how it's gonna look like your wreath. Now I still got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 columns of the circle. So which means I need to make 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 more. But if you want to, squeeze another one, but I think 5 is too. It's up to you. I mean, it depends on the kind of mesh and the kind of burlap that you're using, or whatever ribbons you want to include that will make it okay with 1 column. So I'm gonna do the rest, and we'll see from there. Okay, complete my wreath, I went to the Dollar Tree and looked for more 4th of July decorations, and I was able to get this hat for $1, and this foam stars for $1, and this pretty cute headband for $1. So I decided to get more, so that because if I will just use only the ones that I showed you previously, it's not, well, it's okay, but it's nice to play around. And I have other ribbons from my stash. I can use this ribbon and this one, this twined, which is also a patriotic item, and also the stars. So with this one, I will play around and finally give you the finished product later. Okay? Alright, what I'm gonna do here is, this is the headband that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and what I did is just to break it into the headband itself, but remain this one, and then I add more trimmings to what it has, like this ribbon that I got, and this another ribbon, and the star. So I just added more ribbons below it, and what I'm going to do is this doggy, I will glue that there, so the dog is gonna look like that then. See? The doggy is gonna look like this when I put it in the wreath. That's one. And this stars, you know, it's so plain, so it's like, originally I wanted to put this one, but I changed my mind. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to glue some glitters on the side of the stars. I got some glitters here and some glitters over here. You can see it there. So maybe that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put some glitters on the side, so my stars would be you know, a little bit sparkly. Alright, so I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna show you later. Hello everyone, this is my DIY Dollar Tree 4th of July wreath, and it's done. That's how it turned out. And you can see my my doggy, and the headband that I used, and the trimmings that I used, the foam stars, the board stars, cheap board stars that I placed some glitters on the side. There you can see it. That's how I did that. Put some glitters on the side there. And that's it. A DIY 4th of July wreath, and everything came from the Dollar Tree. Well, a few, like the ribbons, well, but most of them came from the Dollar Tree. Hope you like what I did, and I hope you can make one. So until my next project, I'll see you again guys soon, and we'll make more, okay? Stay safe everybody. Bye.